And as always, wonderful and beautiful, glorious day it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. It is November 3rd. All right, November 3rd. It is a soulful Sunday. Soul, like that soul glow. So, soulful Sunday, absolutely it is. It is November 3rd, 2024. All right. And y'all know I normally do these weekly trade watch lists on Super Saturday, but I had some things come up that were out of my control that required more of my attention. Okay, so better late than never. Today is Soulful Sunday, November 3rd, 2024. Weekly trade watch list is YT on YT, which means yours truly on YouTube. Absolutely. All right. And we had a very profitable week. Okay, very, very profitable week. Okay, this is not one, not two, but the third week in a row, the third week in a row that um myself and individuals in my Telegram, my free Telegram chat, by the way, which is listed in the description below, which is a trading community and trading signals chat. We have at least hit 3 weeks in a row, at least hit a 1 to 10. We had at least a 10% reward, a 1 to 10, one trade, 1 to 10, 3 weeks straight. Now, this upcoming week, we're going for the fourth. We're going for a month, at least 1 month, um, at least 1 month, going at least 1 month accomplishing a 1 to 10. Okay, that's what we're shooting for next week. All right. So, well, this week, okay, because technically the week has already started because today is Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Shout out to the person that's viewing on live. Appreciate you for taking time out of your busy schedule in order to tap in. Let's go ahead and lock in. Let's go ahead and lock in. All right. Here we go. Y'all know we're looking at gold, right? You know we're looking at gold. So here's the deal. Had this trade right here. Okay. Had this trade right here on gold. All right. 1 to 10. As a matter of fact, we had 3 trades sitting right here. Let's go to the M1 time frame to be able to discuss this in more detail. Okay. Now here's the deal. All of this was executed on the yellow. Remember, y'all know I have a color code system with my charts. Okay. I'm anal about the colors. When I see the color, I know what time frame it's on, with the exception of this blue, because this is placed on the M1 time frame, but I made it blue because so it'll be easier on the eyes. So the yellow wouldn't clash. You'll be able to see the numbers. That's why I made it blue, but it's on the M1 time frame. I know that for a fact. All right. So yes, I have on the monthly. I have black on the, because here's the deal. The reason why I have a color code system, because have you ever noticed on a trading view when you're drawing up your charts, and like say like if you were to put say for instance you were to put a highlighted mark like this, okay, if you were to go to a lower time frame, it's going to move. Okay, and so also you want to mark up your zones and have templates already saved, so you don't have to type in it like a H4 supply zone, H4 demand zone, things of that nature. Already have templates saved. Okay, based off these drawings, I already have these breaker structure, bullish breaker structure, liquidity below. I have all these templates already saved based off the illustration that I use. Okay, so with that being said, I recommend you do that because it cuts down a lot of time. It absolutely cuts down a lot of time that you have to type it in and, oh, what time frame is this on? It makes you more organized as a trader. Okay. So on the monthly, I have black. On the weekly, I have pink. On the daily, I have red. On the H4, I have blue. On the H1, I have green. I have on the M30, I have gray, M15 purple, M5 orange, and M1 yellow. Those are my colors. In my order, you can copy it, or you can simply, do your own colors in your own order, but do not have one solid color like, oh, my favorite color is blue and I'm going to use blue for every single time frame. You're going to get lost in the sauce. You're going to get lost in your own analysis because you don't understand what time frame you put it on. Okay, you'll forget what time frame you put it on. Okay, what's up with it, Aki? Appreciate you for hopping on. Appreciate you for hopping on. All right. So, um, Aki is in my free Telegram chat. By the way, he's been on me with live several sessions, and he could speak to his own testimony, how his results are going, and things of that nature, as far as the value that's being poured into the free Telegram chat. Honestly, I say that y'all are missing out, but you can hear from Aki, who's on the live as well, in the comments. Um, how he's been impacted and how much of an impact he's has been placed on him as far as being in this free community Telegram chat. And there's no fluff. There's no fluff. Like I truly have a heart of gold because I want people to actually be able to see the value there is in forex trading. It's the most highest paying skill set that requires no degree, just a decision. The most highest paying skill set that requires no degree, just a decision. All right. So let's go over. Let's go to the gold trades that we're able to take. So here's the deal. All right. We see how we know that the market moves like this. Okay. Let me draw this on the monthly before we're able to break down the M1. All right. So the market moves like this. Okay. This is how the market moves. All right. All right. So this is an uptrend. High, low, lower high. No, excuse me. Low, high, higher low, break a structure, higher high, right? This is a representation of an uptrend. Now, the market moves in market price cycles, okay? The market moves in market price cycles, which this being an accumulation, this being a reaccumulation, this being a distribution, this being a redistribution, and then the market starts printing all over. It starts the market price cycles all over again. Accumulation, reaccumulation, and this right here will be a break of structure. It will be a bullish break of structure right here. All right. So this will be a break of structure above. Okay. Because, and what causes a break of structure above? What causes the market to break an old high and create a new one? The market had to print internally right here the market price cycle accumulation and reaccumulation in order to break this old high to create a new one. Okay. Vice versa for the sell. Okay. In order for the market to break this low and create a new low, the market had to do what before the break? It had to distribute, redistribute, break the structure, break the old low, create a new low. Okay. All right. So let's just a snippet. Now let's actually get into the trades that we were able to take this past week. Now here's the deal. We did take some lessons, but you're not going to learn from the lessons. You're only going to learn from the success as far as like, okay, I'll go over the trades. Every trader takes lessons. There's nobody that's going to be completely 100% perfect or whatever the case may be. Okay. I don't care what setup you trade. I don't care if you trade with EMAs, indicators, whatever the case may be. But me personally, I'm a naked chart trader. All right. So we go down to the M1, right? Go down to the M1 to see the trades that we were able to take right here. All right. So here's the deal. We had a supply zone. The market simply did this. Accumulated, reaccumulated, came back. This low right here did its job, smacked the demand zone, went up, broke this structure right here, right? So this right here would be a break of structure internally. Let me mark it out. This right here is a small break of structure on the seconds time frame. We're looking at it from the minute time frame because I don't have the upgraded package to go to the seconds. Okay, so you got to look at it this way. Okay, the purpose of a higher low in an uptrend. The purpose of a higher low in an uptrend is to do what? Break the old high and create a new one. The purpose of a lower high in a downtrend is to do what? Break the old low and create a new low. Okay. At times, that doesn't happen and is not successful. So when it does, the opponents will come in and show that they're attempting to take over the market. Okay. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. As a matter of fact, I can just show you on the M1. All right. I can just show you on the M1 on this trade. Okay. So here's the deal. This right here, this bigger circle right here. Okay. So look, also engulfing candlesticks, bullish or bearish engulfing candlesticks represent a completion of a market price cycle. Okay. It represents the completion of a market price cycle. These are the market price cycles I'm talking about. Okay. Let me show you the market price cycles I'm talking about. Let's see. So the market price cycles I'm talking about. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know how I'm gonna get that on the screen. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Bam. Got it on the screen. Cool. Bet. Let's tap in. Right. Is everybody able to see the Wyckoff diagrams? I believe it's on live. Everybody able to see that, right? I can see it. It's live. All right. So here's the deal. These are on the left hand side, you have type 1 and type 2 accumulation. Okay. The difference is phase C. Okay. Phase C in the type 1 accumulation has a spring in the test. Phase C in a type 2 accumulation, it doesn't. Okay. Same thing with a distribution, number 1 and number 2, type 2 schematic. Type 1 and type 2, type 1, phase C is the difference. Phase C has a UTAD in the test in type 1. Phase C in the type 2 has a last point of supply. Okay. Now, in this diagram, it doesn't show the reaccumulation and redistribution. Okay. Which are just variations of a bullish and bearish triangle or channel. Okay. That's all it is. Okay. So what I want to do is go back to, all right, the screen. Okay. Let's go back to gold. All right, here we go. So here's the deal. Engulfing candlesticks show completion of a market price cycle. So guess what? The market created this low, created this high, came back to some type of demand zone the second time frame and created this low. This low did its job and did what? Accumulated, reaccumulated, broke this structure and created this new high. So this low right here led to this new high. It did its job. So now you have right here a break of structure. So here's the deal. Here's what's supposed to happen. The market is supposed to do what? Retrace the impulsive move, which is this engulfing candlestick. The market is supposed to retrace this impulsive move and respect it, creating a higher low. And that low is supposed to do what? Go up, break the old high, and create a new high. That's what's supposed to happen. But thinking rationally, it can't happen all the time. It can't happen all the time. Okay. So here's the deal. How did I know from right here? I didn't take this trade particularly right here, but we're going to go over the trade that we took. What I'm saying is, how did we know, be able to execute the selling trade? Okay, cool. The market created this high. It retraced this bullish candlestick right here. It retraced that engulfing candlestick, right? Now the market is supposed to do what? Create a higher low inside of it, go back up, accumulate, reaccumulate, break this structure and create a new high, but it didn't happen. So the market created a low, pushed back, the sellers stopped it and prevented that what? The accumulation and reaccumulation from happening. Okay? They prevented that from happening. So then the market created a low. Then the market did not go up and break the structure and create a new high. Then the market created a lower high. And when you seen that this candlestick right here was breaking this low, Boom, it should have been a sell market execution, and your stop loss should have been literally right here above that engulfing candlestick. And then guess what? TP1 is going to be what? The break of the old low. Okay. Now, me personally, from people who already know how I trade, my style of trading, that would have been TP1. 50% partials would have been closed. Stop loss would have went to risk free at break even, and I would have let the rest of the remaining trade ride to what? A 10% take profit. That's how I trade. Okay. And it's not because it's what I want to trade. It's numbers behind it. It's a math behind that madness. Okay. So simple. This sale was valid. It doesn't matter what session it is. It doesn't matter the time it is, whatever the case may be. Doesn't matter. Sessions are trader preferenced. Okay. Sessions are trader preferenced. You can definitely trade gold out of session. You can trade gold in session. It just depends on your personal daily schedule. Okay. You make trading fit your personal daily schedule. You don't make your personal daily schedule fit trading. All these things that I've remembered, I'm in my 5th year trading that, oh man, you got to trade gold during the London session. You got to trade gold during the New York session. What about the Asian session? I know if I trade gold during the Asian session, I don't have to worry about news because the banks are closed. It would be absolutely too easy if gold only moved during the New York session because it's involving the United States dollar. Come on, man. Let's think rational and not irrational. Okay? Let's think rational and not irrational. Okay? So cool. You could have simply taken this trade. Boom. So now what are we looking at? We're looking at this like this. Okay, this is a high. This is a low. This is a lower high. And now the market did what? Broke this low and created what? A new low. Right? Market did what? Accumulated, reaccumulated, came into some type of supplies on the second time frame, and did what? This engulfing candlestick represents what? An engulfing candlestick represents what? A completion of a market price cycle. So this engulfing candlestick showed that what? Okay, the market accumulated. You can see the reaccumulation, tapped into some type of supply zone, and did what? Distributed, redistributed, broke this old low, created a new low. Oh, bam, engulfing candlestick, accumulation. Now here's the deal. This candlestick right here is retracing what? This bearish impulsive move. Remember, when a candlestick is retracing an impulsive move, it's supposed to do what? Create in a downtrend. It's supposed to create what? A lower high. That lower high is supposed to do what? Break the old low, lead to a new low. So here's the actual trade that we took. Right? The market created a what? A bullish divergence. Boom, change of character. I've said this before. It won't be the first time. It won't be the last. A change of character does not determine a change of trend, but a break of structure shows continuation of that trend. Okay? Change of character does not determine a change of trend, but a break of structure shows continuation of that trend. Okay? So here's the deal. How are we able to take this trade? What is the psychology that went behind it? Okay, cool. We got an engulfing candlestick, right? Representation of a completion of a market price cycle. So more than likely, that's what? Accumulation, right? So then the market did what? Change character. Okay, so the market accumulated, reaccumulated, caused a what? Bullish change of character. Okay. Now, that doesn't mean because we had a bullish change of character that the bulls have finally taken over. No, that doesn't mean that. Okay. So now we got the what? The bears coming in to do what? Retrace this impulsive move. Because guess what? The bulls had too much strength to do what? You had this impulsive move right here. You got this bearish impulsive move right here, right? The market was supposed to retrace this bearish impulsive move and do what? Go down and create a new low. But it didn't do that. Okay. So now we're focusing on what? Buying, because now we got this impulsive move that did what? It overcame the last bearish impulsive move. So now it's hinting at wanting to go bullish. So guess what? Okay, the market accumulated, reaccumulated. Okay, cool. Now that it caused a bullish change of character, it has to prove to me that it wants to go bullish. Make me press the buy button. Show me that you want to go bullish. Okay, so now this is a low. This is a high. The market did what? Retraced this impulsive move right here, right? The market retraced this impulsive move, created a higher low, and it did what? This low did its job to do what? Accumulate, reaccumulate, and it broke structure. So, bam, right here, when I seen this candlestick surpass this wick, this bearish wick, boom, buy market execution, stop loss right below this what? Higher low, and do what? Let the rest ride. Stop loss was right here, and I'm letting the rest ride to overall what? 10% TP. And you can see what? Bam. You can see this first trade right here. This was the execution. This was a stop loss. And guess what? TP up here. Okay. So guess what? Boom. That was one trade. Okay. That was one trade. This is one trade. All right. So now it gave us 3 opportunities. Okay. So now I'm looking like this. This is what I'm looking at now. All right, cool. Bet. Market went up, created this high, retested what? Some type of demand zone, and did what? Broke structure. This right here is a break of structure. Okay. The market broke structure right here because you can see what? Okay. This low tapped into some type of demand zone, reaccumulation probably, and did what? Accumulated, reaccumulated, broke this high, and created a new one. Now, the market is supposed to do what? Retrace this impulsive move and do what? Go back up. So the sellers decide, hey, you know what? We're going to come in. Distribution, redistribution, excuse me, broke this low right here, right? Bam. This is what you call a change of character. The market has changed character. Okay. Boom. So now this pulls back, accumulate. This is a distribution, redistribution, break the old low, create a new low. The market accumulated, reaccumulated, came back into a what? Supply zone, and then did what? Engulfing candlestick shows what? Completion of a market price cycle. So now you got a what? Distribution, redistribution, breaks this old low, creates this new low. Does that make sense so far? Does that make sense so far? We're on the M1 time frame talking about this. The M1. I got a treat for y'all after I go over this too. I got a treat for y'all. Is this making sense? We're on the M1 time frame talking about this. All right. Who in YouTube world doesn't understand? Who on the live doesn't understand? Y'all with me so far? Y'all still with me? Appreciate the 3 people that take a time out of their busy schedule, hopping on the live. That's what's up. That's love. That's love. If you are not part of the Telegram, you're not part of the free Telegram chat, the description is listed below. Download Telegram from your Google Play Store, App Store, and simply come back to the YouTube channel and click on the trading community and trading signals chat. Everybody with me? Everybody understand what we're going over so far? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. All right, cool. So back to the lesson. So here's the deal. Now what are we looking at? Okay. The market, okay, we said distribution, redistribution, breaks the old low, creates a new low. Okay, the market accumulated, reaccumulated. Okay, now look, here's how you knew the sellers were about to come back in, because this low right here, right? This is an engulfing candlestick. But guess what? This low did not do its job and do what? This low right here didn't do its job to do what? Break above this high and create a new one. It didn't do it. So guess what? It stopped right here on the seconds time frame, created a lower high, and guess what? Turned out to be a what? Engulfing candlestick. Which means what? The market distribution, redistribution, broke this low, created a new low. Same thing. Accumulation, reaccumulation. Oh, here we go. Distribution, redistribution, breaks the old low, creates a new low. Now, here's the deal. I zoned this out because I seen that it was unmitigated, right? I knew that this was an area of interest. This is a reaccumulation, an area of interest where the bulls have the opportunity to come back in. So I had zoned this one out. You see where it says 1 minute OB, 1 minute order block, right? So I said, okay, cool, bet. This accumulation has already been mitigated, but this reaccumulation is unmitigated. This is an opportunity for the buyers to come back and take over the market and to go and do what? Break this old high and create a new one. So guess what? This was the entry, right? This was the entry. So bam, we got what? Old low broken, new low formed. So the bulls got to come in. Here's the accumulation. Here's the reaccumulation. Bam. Oh, snap. It caused a change of character. Okay. So now we have an impulsive move that caused a what? Bullish change of character. But remember, a change of character does not determine a change of trend, but a break of structure shows continuation of a trend. So guess what? Now we're going to look to see what? If the market wants to respect this bullish impulsive move that just caused a bullish change of character. So the market did what? Came back down, right? Inside, it didn't break the low of this bullish impulsive move, and it turned out to be a what? Higher low, because then what? It created what? An engulfing candlestick, right? And boom, right when it said it's gonna be an engulfing candlestick, boom, buy market execution, right? It's gonna break structure and it's gonna do what? It's gonna fly. And there we go. The market broke structure right here. You got an internal breaker structure right here. This is called substructure. And then you got an overall what? This is called swing structure. Swing structure, boom, breaker structure right here, right? So then now we in two trades. We're not in one, we're in two. The market gave us two opportunities. Now we in two trades. Okay, now we're in two trades, two confirmed trades. Okay, boom, got this buy right here, got a buy right here. Okay, cool, bet. Now guess what? Soon as the market broke this structure, okay, cool, we took partials. 50% partials, stop loss go to break even on both of these trades. We are risk free on the first trade and on the second trade. Okay, now here's a third opportunity, right? The market breaks structure, so now the bears got to come back in. Okay, so now this you see the reaccumulation right here. I said, hey, this is an area of interest where the buyers can do what? Take back over this market, right? So boom, here's the high. Market broke structure, create another high. Here's the distribution, right? Here's the redistribution. Boom, came back into what? The accumulation. Buyers did what? Took back over. Why? Because you got a low, you got a high, and then you got the market creating a what? A higher low, and the market did what? Soon as it broke that structure, you could have bam, boom, went back up. But me having a lot of market experience, I knew, okay, boom, this was a change of character, right? The market changed character right here when it went past this engulfing candlestick. The market changed character. Okay, so now we need to see if this bullish impulsive move is going to be respected by the market, or is it going to do what? Is this a what? Lower high to break this low and create a new low, or is this a lower high to do what? Return to what? Respect the inside of this bullish move right here, because now the market changed character right here. Now we're looking at this bullish move, right? This could still, remember, a change of character does not determine a change of trend. So this low right here, this lower high could have simply done what? Came back down here, broke this low and created a new low. That could have happened, okay? But it didn't. So how did you know that the bulls are going to take over the market, Orlando? Okay, cool, bet. Got this impulsive move. The market retraced that impulsive move, created what? Higher low. So now you got a what? A low, a high, higher low. Market did what? Boom. Break structure. Higher high. That's another buy. That's another buy entry. So guess what? When the market broke this high, we closed 50% partials on that. Stop loss went break even. Okay. So now you can see that the market gave us not one, not two, but three trading opportunities. Now, this third trading opportunity, the sellers came back in, right? And it took my remaining volume out at break even. Okay. Now here's the deal. Here's the deal. I'm not gonna say, oh man, I should have I shouldn't have taken partials. I shouldn't have taken partials because then I'd have had 3 trades hit TP. No, that's not my trading system. My trading system allows me to take partials and then let the rest ride. So I trade. I have all my trades would be at least minimum at risk free if I'm swinging for a 10% reward. Okay, all right, because anything can happen in the market. RTM, respect the market. So here's the deal: the market went up, broke the structure, created a new high. Right. So now what are we looking at? Market came up and went back down. This is a divergence. This is a change of character right here. Bears took over, but then the bulls did what? Pushed it back up. So this low right here did its job and did what? Broke structure and created a new high. Now here's the deal. Here's the deal, right? You have the market do what? Push up right here, create a high internally, come back, respect this impulsive move. This one accumulated, reaccumulated, broke this structure internally, substructure. Then overall did what? Broke the swing structure. Came back. Now the market is supposed to do this. The market is supposed to respect this impulsive move, create a higher low, and then go back up and create a higher high. But we're thinking rationally, that doesn't happen all the time. Because why? You knew the bears were going to come in and eventually take over. Why? Because you just had an old high broken and a new high that's formed. When the old high is broken, the bears have to come in. It's not a matter if, it's a matter of when and how are they going to appear and show up. So here's the deal. You could have simply did what? Okay, the market took this high, the market distributed, redistributed. Okay, it broke this low right here. Oh my goodness. Change of character. Okay. So bam, the market distributed, redistributed, created this low, right off of this level, pulled back, accumulated, reaccumulated, tapped into some type of supply zone, distributed, redistributed, broke this low, created a new low. Now the buyers got to come back in, accumulated, reaccumulated, change of character, but a change of character does not determine a change of trend. The, the market came back into this impulsive move. It's supposed to do what? Break this high, create a new one, had an engulfing candlestick, boom, sell market execution, distribute, redistribute, broke the low, created a new low. Okay. Market pushed back again, accumulated, reaccumulated, tapped to some type of supply zone, distributed, redistributed, broke the low, created a new low. Oh, the market changed character. Okay, cool. The market did what? This low led to what? This high. Market what? Came back, created a higher low somewhere, and then did what? Soon as the market broke up above here, you could have took your buy entry. Because now the market did what? Engulfing candlestick, accumulated, reaccumulated, and boom, went up. That's another buy entry. And then guess what? This would have been TP1. Boom. Because now this high is broken and a new high has been formed. The bears got to come back in the market at some point in time. This is simply how you trade. You can trade like this all day long on any pair, day in and day out, and twice on Monday. I'm telling y'all, when you understand this, it's a game changer. We're on the M1. We're on the M1. Okay. So now, okay, cool. Area of interest where let's go ahead and get this off of here. So, like I said, we have trade number 1 and trade number 2 at break even. Okay. And we're gonna let it ride to the what? The 10% take profit. We've already taken partials. We already paid ourselves from the trade. Okay. I know so many people that would have said, "Oh, you want to know what? I'm good. I'm good for the day. I'm done." You know, but I let the market take me out of the market. I don't ever take myself out of the market. I don't. Once I close partials, boom, let the rest ride. Is it gonna bless me or it's gonna say, "Who? Okay, cool. I wasn't supposed to be in the trade that long in the first place." Is that risk free? I have no emotions in the trade. Okay, so now old high broken, new high formed. What? Bears got to come in, right? So guess what? This right here was what? In what? The market broke structure right here, created a high, impulsive move. The market is supposed to do what? Create a higher low, and the higher low is supposed to do what? Break structure and create a high high. This point, it did what? It didn't do it. The market did what? Respected the supply zone, and then did what? As soon as the market broke this right here, you had to wait till the completion of the candlestick. As soon as the market broke, you could do what? Sell market execution right here. Stop loss right above the what? The high. and let it ride. Boom. Okay. Let it ride. Obviously, this low right here would have been TP1 for me. And then the rest would have been what? Let it ride to 10%. Okay. And obviously, on this particular trade, obviously the rest of our remaining volume would have got taken out. Okay. If I was simply trading that retracement. Okay. All right, cool. That would have been a sell. Okay. All right. So now what are we looking at? Okay, cool. Market what? Create this low, accumulated, reaccumulated. This low didn't do its job and do what? Break the structure and create a high, smack the supply zone. Boom. You could have got in for another sale right here. As soon as the market broke this low, boom, took it down here to new low. TP1 hit again. So now that this new low is broken now this old low is broken and a new low has been formed, now you're going to anticipate what? The buyers coming in the market, right? So buyers got to prove to me they want to do what? Flex their muscles and come in. So guess what? You got this low, the market pushed up, impulsive move. Okay, lower high. Lower high didn't do what? Break this old low and create a new low. Market came up, engulfing candlestick, accumulation. Oh, broke structure. Oh, you can do a buy market execution. Bam. Stop loss where? Right below this low. Market came back, retraced this candle, didn't break it. What? Bulls came back in, took over again. And guess what? There's the buy. And the market did what? Took off. The market took off. So now here's the deal. Here's the sale that I took. Dope sale, right? My remaining volume got taken out at break even. Okay, on this particular trade. So here's what happened. Let me get rid of this right here. Let me get rid of all of this. Trading with no indicators, man. I'm telling y'all, when you understand the market, you be like, okay, cool, I'm chilling. Doesn't matter. You can come in here and say, I'm looking for nothing but buys. I'm looking for nothing but sales. You can do that. Okay, you can do that. So here's the deal. Now we're looking at this. Okay, the market did what? Okay, cool. Diverge, change character. Okay, this low led to this high, which led to this low, which broke this structure internally. Overall, this low broke this structure and led to what? This high. Okay, so now what do we see? We see nothing but what? Market retracing, creating higher lows, breaking structure, creating higher highs. Okay, that's what we see right here. Boom. I know eventually the bears are going to take over because what? This what? Old high has been broken and a new high has been formed. So now we're going into what? In order for the market to break an old high and create a new one, the market had to do what? Accumulate and reaccumulate. Break an old high, create a new one. Now we're creeping into what? To bear territory. So now it's not a matter if, it's a matter of when. So boom. Okay, this accumulated, reaccumulated, broke the structure, created a high. Market came in, tapped into this low. This low did its job right here. Let me remove all of this because then I'm going to write it over again. Like all this stuff makes sense, yo. On the M1 time frame, be honest with you, I think people don't want to trade the 1 minute time frame because they don't understand it, and it's okay. It's okay that you don't understand it. It's the same exact stuff. It's just your setup prints more often on a lower time frame. Okay, setup prints up more often on a lower time frame. So here's the deal. This low right here tapped in, right? This low did its job, right? Accumulated recount, broke this structure, created a new high. But guess what? This is now the impulsive move right here. This move right here is not an impulsive move, right? The market did what? Violated that impulsive move, which is called what? A change of character, right? Now, a change of character does not determine a change of trend, but a break of structure shows continuation of a trend. So guess what? Market changed character. The market did what? Create this high led to what? This low. Now, retracing of the impulsive move that caused a change of character, right? The market accumulated, reaccumulated, came back into this level, right? Now, here's the deal. When was the actual sale being taken? Okay. Not on the first bearish candlestick, depending on the way, just speaking of the way it printed, Not on this first bearish candlestick, because guess what? This could have been a low right here that led to what? A break of structure and created that high. I mean, a break of this old high and create a new high. So when did the actual sell happen? Okay. The actual sell, okay, should have happened right here. Well, I seen this. This is like a impulsive move. The market retraced this impulsive move. Okay, and I seen it, and I got in for a sell. Like I said, market experience, it will come with it. This was a 3.9 pip stop loss on gold. Okay, this sell. This is a counter trend sell. So when the market came out with this engulfing candlestick and then it broke below this low, boom, you should have been in for a sell market execution. And guess what? This right here, this low would have been TP1. So that was my TP1. When I sold from right here, my stop loss was above this lower high. My TP1 was the break of this low. So then I closed 50% partials. Stop loss went to break even. And I let the rest ride to what? Overall 10%. Okay. Now here's the deal. The market did what? Change of character, create a lower high, broke structure. Okay, cool. I'm closed. I'm 50% partials closed. Stop loss at break even. You can see the market came back to do what? My break even. It came back to my break even, took me out at my remaining volume. But you can see how the market overall did what? After that, it overall and did what? It went 10%. It went 10% on a counter trend. Okay. It makes sense. It makes sense. Or I'll help you. If you don't understand, I can help you make it make sense. All right. So this one got taken out at break even. That was just one of them trades that the remaining volume got taken out at break even. I respected my rules. The rule is the market broke an old low to create a new low. That means the bulls got to come back in. And guess what? Right off of this reaccumulation, the bulls pushed back up, but it didn't have enough what? This low did not have enough juice to do what? Break this high and create a new one, or break this high and create a new one. So the seller stopped it from happening, and there's your what? Divergence, change of character. So when could you actually take in another sell on this? Market created an engulfing candlestick. When the market retraced this candlestick and broke it, boom, you could have been in for a sale, because it did not respect the impulsive move right here to create a higher low to go back up and create a higher high. All right. So that was that particular trade. This one, like I said, remaining volume got taken out of break even with a 3.9 pip. 3.9 pip stop loss. 3 pip stop loss on gold. Okay. So you can see how the market did what? Overall, it did what? It went to 10% TP from the buy. So this was held overnight. I forgot what day I took it on, but this was held overnight. And trade number 3, the remaining volume got taken out at break even right here, as you can see. Okay. But these two trades, this 10% and this 1 to 8, boom, market hit TP. You can see right here how the market smacked our TP right here. Boom. You see it? Bam. Smack TP. Okay. So now right here on this particular trade, I was in for a sale, but I got taken out by NFP. Okay. Took my eyes off the screen. Stop loss got hit on this particular one. So to be honest with you, I should have, when I got in for a sale right here and the market broke this low right here, I should have closed 50% partials. Okay. I should have closed 50% partials when the market broke this low. Stop loss at the break even, and the rest of it would have got taken out. Okay. So NFP smacked right here, and then bam, went up against me. Okay, cool, bet. It's all good. So now that the market has done what? Broke this high and broken this high and created a new one, I know the bears got to come in at some point in time. So I see this market created this high, came back, retraced, market pushed up. It respected this high, respected this impulsive move, internally had a what? Break a substructure, and overall broke the swing structure. So now I say, okay, cool. The seller's got to come in at some point in time. So now that I see this old high broken and a new high formed, boom, there's your bearish divergence and change of character. I did a sell market execution. Literally, let's see. Market retraced this impulsive move right here. It didn't go up and create a new high. So bam, somewhere right along here, when I seen this impulsive move being broken, I did a sell market execution. Stop loss was above where it was at, which is, this is a 20 pip stop loss on gold. And so then I sold it and I had 3 trades from this was just the highest trade, but I had 3 orders on gold. This one was a 0.04 being the highest price, but I had like 2 more orders sitting in between. I had a 0.03 and a 0.01 coming out of here somewhere. And so then I closed right before the market closed. I simply closed all of my orders at this price right here, which is what price is this? Which is 27.34.89. I closed all of my positions at this price. Okay. And that turned out to be an overall 1 to 12. That right there turned out to be overall 1 to 12. So this was the success on gold this week. I was just trading gold all week. Gold is my favorite pair. I can do the same thing on other pairs. It's just gold. And like me and my bro RTC Ron the Creator said, shout out to him. Went to ATL, had an event ATL Downtown Fest. Dope event. I seen it on social media. My bro DL Woods was out there as well. You had other ones, Amari Bryant, Drew Humphrey, representing the whole Sway squad. Sway has the answers. Okay. And you simply want to get with Sway. I haven't had any issues trading with them or trading on their platform. They have Sway funded, has a prop firm challenges. You want to do prop firms as well. Personally know the people behind it. That's why I wear this hat. Pretty dope people, pretty amazing individuals to be able to get connected with. All right. So with that being said, these were the results on gold this week. Now, y'all know on weekends we be looking at Biddy, we looking at Bitcoin. So I got a treat to show y'all. I have a treat to show you on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, this is what we're looking like on Bitcoin. This is a trade that I am currently in right now. Okay. You can see the dimming. You can see where this was a horizontal ray, where it was dimmed, because that was TP1. TP1 has been smashed. Okay. And this is the overall, as you can see, 10% TP. Okay. It's the overall 10% TP right here. So we closing in on it. We're a few pips away, a few points away. We'll see if Bitcoin decides to go ahead and smack that, or may do a reversal. I don't know. We'll see. Only God knows. But yeah, looking for gold. I mean, not gold. Looking for Bitcoin. Go ahead and smack. What price is that? 69,389. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, it's a blessing. I'm in actually 2 positions on Bitcoin. I had a 0.06 lot size, and I had a 0.04. So I had a total of 0.10 on Bitcoin, and obviously I closed 50% partials on both of the orders. So now I have a 0.02 and a 0.03 running. Okay. 0.02, 0.03 running. And yeah, from this is the lowest price where I took the buy on Bitcoin. And this is the stop loss, the 1 minute stop loss right here on Bitcoin. Literally. Yeah, the 1 minute stop loss right here on Bitcoin. So yeah, so because why this high right here did not lead to a what? A breaker structure and create a what? A lower low. If this was going to be a lower high, it would have done its job and did what? Broke the structure and created a lower low. But I seen on the M1 time frame where the buyers wanted to come in at, right? So I seen that the buyers did this. The market created this low. This is what? Representing a what? Impulsive move. The bears retraced that impulsive move and did not do what? Break this low to create a new low. And it turned out to be an engulfing candlestick right here. And then bam. So we did a buy market execution. So now you got this represent a low, a high, higher low, bam, break a structure. That's why the buy market execution was placed. And boom, we're up. We can't lose this trade because both positions are risk free. Both positions are risk free on Bitcoin right now, currently. So, any questions or problems or concerns For my people on the live. It ain't but one. I know it's achy. Probably is achy. But what pairs do y'all want me to mark up? What pairs do you want me to mark up? Currently in Bitcoin right now. So that's dope. Yeah, I'm seeing this hitting the overall 10%. We starting off the week with a 1 to 10. Ooh, sheesh. Let's go. Speak that into existence. Starting off with the week with a 1 to 10. Go ahead and push that up. Push that up. Take that out. Take it out. Now, don't get it twisted. There was more trades I could have taken if I wanted to, but I don't need to. I could have scaled it. I could have scaled other buys in between here, but I mean, I had other things I had to do. I wasn't glued to the chart, so I could have, but you know, hey, you gotta trade rational, not irrational. Got other things I have to tend to, other than trading all day. Any questions, problems, or concerns from anyone? I don't know if it's counter trend. I can care less what type of trend it is. It's the fact that it was an area of interest. The buyers showed that they could put, ooh, this thing could possibly go way up here to the H1. Oh, hold on. Let me see now. Hold up. I may. Mm, mm. Okay, this is an area of interest. I ain't gonna push it higher than that, but this is an area of interest where buyers can come in at. This thing, you got an H1 supply zone right here. This thing may push because now what you have, okay, you got your low, high, higher low, bam, breaker structure, high, high. So the market may trying to push, trying to retrace, trying to sell, may take a night, may take a little dip or retracement. That's what I'm seeing. But right now, as on the M1, Bitcoin is in a buying territory off of this reaccumulation. So what you got is a low, a high, higher low. Market broke structure and created a high. It's coming back into this reaccumulation. Hopefully the market can push up and break this structure right here internally and create a new high. Otherwise, it's going to turn out to be a redistribution, and then it's going to come down here into another buy zone. We have to see what's up. That's all the market does. That is absolutely all the market does. So just reading this M1 on Bitcoin, okay? Let's do it like this, okay? This low did its job, broke this structure, created a new high, okay? So this low led to this new high, right? So the market came back into this reaccumulation, created this low. This low didn't lead to a what? A new high because the market stopped right here. But this lower high didn't break this low and lead to a new low. So now the market did what? Created a low, created a high, created a higher low, and then did what? Broke this structure right here. So now this low led to this high, right? Now this high can either do what? Go bullish off of here. The market can retrace and the buyers can retake over here or take back control over here and push it back up. Or the buyers have another opportunity right here at this low to do what? For this to be a distribution, redistribution, tap back into it here, and then the buyers can take over right here and then push it back up to break this high. I'm telling y'all, it all makes sense. It all makes sense. Who just joined the live? What's up with it, my peoples? Speak to me. Speak to me. Mm. Mm. Speak to me. I'm telling y'all, man, this stuff is readable. So good. So check this out. The market turned out to be a what? A redistribution. It's okay. The market turned out to be a redistribution. Okay, this turned out to be a redistribution. Okay, but guess what? You got a unmitigated candle, unmitigated supply zone, redistribution, unmitigated supply zone that's heading into what? A demand zone right here. Okay, so this could be another buying opportunity for what? Bitcoin. In one demand right here. Where are we at? 1 minute demand zone. This could be another buying opportunity for what? Bitcoin. This is how you read the market, like real talk. Let's see. Let's put 1 minute divergence. Okay. Now I can sit right here and be like, okay, cool, bet. Let me see if the market wants to buy from this level because it's in a buy zone, fly zone. I want to see if the buyers want to come in right here. I would take it for a buy based off of confirmation, not based off of hope, not based off of dreams, whatever the case may be. No, I want to see if the market wants to do what? Buy off that. So look, it broke through that, right? It simply broke through that. So guess what? I just erased the zone. That's it. That is simply it. But you know the buyers got to come in at some point in time because you got what? Distribution, redistribution. What's the next market price cycle after a redistribution? What's the next market price cycle after a redistribution? That needs to be printed. You understand your market price cycles, you know what you're looking for then. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when and how they going to appear. You're waiting for the bulls to appear, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when and how are they going to print and appear. How are they going to arrive? It's various different ways how they can print. The candlesticks can print and the bulls can show up. All right. So I may take a 0.0. I got a 0.05 right now. I may take a 0.04 scalp. Absolutely. It's going to be an accumulation. Absolutely. Because you can see what? Engulfing candlestick represents what? Completion of market price cycle. So that's had to be what? This had to be a distribution, right? Because also, look, you got to look at this. This high was taken, right? So that's liquidity. All right. This high was taken out. So guess what? The bears got to come in. The bears got to come in. Okay. So now you got to look at, is this lower high, is this high right here going to do its job and break this low and create a new low? I don't think so. I think the bulls are going to come back in and show its presence and push back up. So I will wait. I will sit here and because it's in a buying zone, and I know the accumulation need to be printed. I'll sit here and intentionally wait for the bulls to show their presence and flex their muscles. So you got that impulsive move right there, right? Now, what we want is we want the market to come back and retrace that impulsive move to create a higher low and then break structure, create a bullish break of structure internally right here to break the old high, create a new one so we can do what? A buy market execution on that trade. Like it all makes sense. Every single candle, it all makes sense. It absolutely 100% makes sense. And then you got your areas where you take partials and stuff like that because you want to RTM, respect the market. You want to respect the market. You can come in here programmed to say, you know what? I'm not doing nothing but looking for selling opportunities. Okay, cool, bet. That's what you do. I'm not coming here looking for number buying opportunities. Okay, bet. That's what you do. That's what you do. That's what you want. But you got to understand where the buyers and where the sellers can come in. I don't know. Somebody would have interviewed and asked me, hey, man, what are some things that when you was first starting out trading, some things that you'll do away with? I I think patterns, pattern trading. Um, uh, I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of 50-50 on this with trend lines. Like you don't really need trend lines. Uh, Support and resistance. You don't need that. Um, so that's just at your level of understanding when you're starting out. This is the things that they tell you. They're not going to start you out and say, "Hey, we're learning the Wyckoff method." You know, me on the other hand, I go straight to the white. I would if I'm teaching somebody, I'm going straight to the Wyckoff method, and I break it down to a science where you're able to understand it. I don't care how long it takes. All right, so I'm gonna see if Bitcoin gives us an opportunity. Hey, who else on the live besides Aki? I got two people on the live. Who else on the live with me? If it's a person that's not in the Telegram chat, in the description below, you can download Telegram from the Google Play Store, App Store, and simply add yourself to our free trading community and our free signals chat. I do live Zoom recorded trading. I do that 5 to 6 times out the week with a minimum of an hour of staying on. With a minimum of an hour. If you can't make, speaking of, because I got to put the schedule out this week. If you can't make the live trading Zoom session, then obviously there's going to be a recording posted. Once it's finished converting, then I place it in the chat. Win, lose, a draw, or we don't take a trade at all, doesn't matter. Place it in chat. Actually showing you what a trader goes through. So right here, I'm seeing if I can get some type of confirmation to see if the bulls want to take over from right here, from this level. That's what I'm waiting on. We having a distribution, redistribution, retracement. And then I want to see the bulls be able to do what? Break that structure and create a new high. Let's see if it happens. Let's see what happens. Is this impulsive move going to get respected? Nope. Broke the low. Create a new low. So guess what? You got an LTTL. Look to the left. What's the other possible opportunity that the bulls can come in? Right here, off this level. Right here off this level. Because why? This is the last what? Accumulation, reaccumulation that broke this structure and created this high. I'm telling y'all, man, you become extra patient when you understand how a market prints. You become extra patient. And then you got to put in your mind, man, I don't miss no setups. You don't miss a setup. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna say, oh, I missed this sell. Let me chase the sell. No, I'm now going to prepare myself for the next buy opportunity. I am now going to prepare myself for the next buying opportunity. I'm going to chase that sell down there. Going to wait for the next buying opportunity. Probably get buys right off of this level. And guess what? Boom, stop loss right below here and take it up to where this TP is at. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Who else is on the live stream? I know Aki is still on here. Who else is on here besides Aki? You can type in the comment section on live. They in and out. I'm gonna see if I can get another trading opportunity on Bitcoin. Now, I could have simply, sold it after the market retested its reaccumulation and it didn't push up and break a new high. I could have simply sold it outside of here if I wanted to, but I'm choosing not to. I'm electing not to. It's a choice. As traders, you have a choice. Sorry, choice. Let's see if Bitcoin can give me another setup before I can hop off the live. I got a whole trading mat right here. I just wanted it because it looked cool. It looked absolutely cool for me as a trader. I got the like a keyboard trading mat. It's a big long mat that has chart patterns on it. It says the ultimate day trader. All right, it says the ultimate day trader. So yeah, keep take this liquidity. Take that liquidity. Take all that. You want to come just show me from between here to here. Show me you want to show your presence. You want to show your presence. Man, I'm telling y'all, trading makes so much sense, bro. Trading makes so much sense, and it makes so much sense. You can make so much money. Oh my goodness. Telling y'all, man. I'm telling you right now. If this breaks up above, this breaks up above here, it's gonna turn out to be a change of character. But that could be just a change of character to do what? Come back into one of these supply zones to then do what? Sell off. It doesn't matter how the market prints. It's never going to throw you for a loop, but you just need to understand what it prints. You need to understand what it prints. I understand, doesn't matter what the market prints. I understand how it prints as far as what the moves mean. What are the meanings behind the moves? That's the thing. Crap. Oh, this trade play out right in front of y'all face. They'll be on YouTube Live, trading live. Okay, that turned out to be an engulfer candlestick, which means distribution, redistribution, possibly go down here and smack this buy zone. Okay. Possibly go down here, smack this buy zone. I don't need no indicators. I don't need any of that. And I can guarantee you that the RSI is almost in the oversold section. Look at it. But I don't need that. I understand how a market prints with just by using my eyes. You got to develop that trader's eye. I can help you develop it. I'll work with you on it. I'm willing to work with you on it. Because I do these live streams once a weekend and got a Telegram chat, Zoom. I don't generate any type of fee for doing that. Generate any type of fee for doing that. I don't generate a penny. I'm gonna tell you this: I receive my blessings through your results. I receive my blessings through your results. That's that's why I would truly receive my blessings through your results of trading. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. See, you can see how this turned out to be a redistribution as well, right in between here. Tell y'all this stuff is golden, 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 golden. Come on, show your presence by us. Show your presence by us. The buyers come in from right here, then that means it used what? All of this is liquidity. Hey, buyers present here. Buyers present here. Buyers present here. Nope. Gotta understand how a market prints. Gotta understand how a market prints. Who else joined the live stream? Who's the third person? I'll give y'all a shout out. Shout out to Aki, because I know Aki is one of them. But I do not know the other two people on the live. They haven't revealed themselves. I don't know who it is. I can't give a shout out to. They type in the comments and say, hey, it's me. Who's the fourth person on the live? I'll give you a shout out. I want to appreciate and shout out everybody that's, even took 10 seconds to be able to listen to me or to be able to appear on the live. Let me know who you are. I'll give you a shout out. And type in the comments. And then if you're not part of the free Telegram trading community and the trading signals that I have, then download Telegram. Become part of that. Let's see. Looking for a trade on Bitcoin. See if I can catch one before I hop off the live stream, since it's in a buying territory. Headed towards a buying territory. Okay, who's the fifth person on the live stream? I'll give y'all a shout out. Reveal yourself. Type in the comments. I'll give you a shout out. I appreciate you all for tapping in. Looking for a live trade on Bitcoin. Seeing how the bulls want to appear. I'm about to do it right in front of your face. It depends on how it prints. Doesn't matter where it hits. It doesn't have to hit my zone. I can just see when the bulls are going to appear in the market. So yeah, for my people that just joining late, I am in Bitcoin way down here on the M1 time frame. Way down here with an execution, with this being the stop loss. And now Bitcoin has soared. This is where TP1 was at. That's why the clock is dim. I have two orders. I have a 0.05 on Bitcoin. Split between a 0.03 and a 0.02. 50% partial have been taken. Stop losses at break even, at risk free. Letting the rest ride to the overall 10% target right here. So now I'm just looking for another opportunity, another buying opportunity on Bitcoin. See how the market wants to appear, how it wants to print. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. That's what's going on right now. Appreciate you all for tapping in. Let me know who you are in the comments. I'll shout you out. You want to be in the free trading Telegram? It's in the description below. Download Telegram from the Google Play Store App Store is in the description below. I guess y'all don't want to reveal yourself. I'll give you a shout out. I appreciate you all for tapping in. See what Bitcoin want to do. Come on, Bulls. Come on, show your muscles. Show your muscles. Ooh, that's a nice drop. You pushing through that? Yeah, push through. Okay, push through that. Still looking for buys. Still looking for buys. Still looking for. Okay, yeah, this is a nice buying zone, but it's got to prove it to me that it wants to go buy from there. Okay, it has to prove it to me that it wants to buy from here. That's why I don't place pending orders anymore. I don't guess. I do market executions. This is a buying zone where the bulls can come in from. 100%. 100%. But I want to see a retracement of this impulsive move to show me that, hey, this area right here, this is a true higher low that wants to go bullish. It has to prove it to me in order for me to press the buy button. What up with it, JD? We live on YouTube with it. Looking for a trade on Bitcoin. Looking for this potential buy opportunity. I got my order ready. Let me see what the market wants to do. Okay, retrace that candlestick. You retrace that impulsive move right here. I want to see if the market wants to retrace. Let me see if it wants to be a higher low to do what? Break structure up again. I'll take it again for a buy entry. Let's see what's up. Let's see what the market wants to do. Depends on how it prints. Depends on how it prints. I am absolutely patient. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. It just broke a old low. Create a new low. Okay, cool. Still pushing down. Okay. This is another area. It's still in a buy zone right here. This is another area right here. You got that 1, 2 retracement of the impulsive candlestick. Broke above here. Created a bullish move. So I don't know what zone is going to do it within, but we're looking forward to it. Looking forward to these buys. But I can remember in my earlier trading career, my younger years, I remember I'd have been taking a buy and not understanding, man, why it went against me. Man, why I did this, why I did that. Well, I'm talking about frustrating myself. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm grateful for my stop loss getting hit now. You wanna know why? Because I need to humble myself, knowing that I know and I understand how market prints and how market trades. I need to humble myself to remember, hey, you're not Steph Curry. Or, Steph Curry even misses sometimes and has bad games as far as 3-point percentage wise or makes and misses. So you're not sitting up here, oh man, I'm winning, 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 winning. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna mess up yourself psychologically, thinking that okay, cool, bet I'm about to increase my lot size. I'm about to over leverage. No, no, fam, no, no, don't do it. Don't hurt yourself. Do not hurt yourself. So it's in a buy zone right now, but it could be reaching for this zone right here because this also is a what break a structure right here. So M5 break a structure. So we're gonna mark that M5 and gonna see what's up. Market may want to go bullish from here because it still got that what 1, 2, bam. What's up?
Oh, Nikki said answer the phone. Answer the phone real quick.
I'm on live. I'm recording.
I know, but she said answer.
Bro, tell her to text me.
All right. She said call. Got my last time. Come and relay a message.
Bro. Y'all give me one moment. All right, we back, y'all. We're back. Simply missed an opportunity on Bitcoin. Missed this opportunity right here. So let me go over it with you. Let me go over with you. The market did what? Created this low, right? Led to this high. Led to the market doing what? Retracing that impulsive move to do what? Break above this high and create a new one. So now, in order to get another trading opportunity, I want to see if this retracement right here, this bearish retracement, I want to see if it respects this impulsive move right here. I want to see if the market wants to retrace and respects this impulsive move to create a higher low to go back up and do what? Create a higher high. So now right here, this could be a dope scalp sell, but I'm not interested in the sales. I'm not interested in the sales. So the market right now, you see how you had this what? Impulsive move right here? The market was supposed to do what? Retrace that impulsive move and do what? Go back up and create a new high, but it didn't. The market created what? A low, lower high, broke the structure. Here come the sellers to sell, do what? Probably a retracement. Now I'm looking for a buy somewhere in this territory. All right, for the market to create another higher low to do what? Get in for that buy entry. Since I missed the first one, because well, we gonna leave that alone. Shouldn't have missed the first one, but had to take my eyes off of it to go do something else. So hold up. So now I'm seeing that the market wants to retrace and create another higher low. All right. So I'm not interested in these sales. I'm interested in layering in these buys. See if the market wants to do what? Create a higher low. Now the question is this: is this lower high right here going to do its job and break structure and create a new low? If it's not, somewhere in between here, the buyers will take over the market. Okay, this lower high right here is supposed to do what? If it wants to truly be a lower high, it's supposed to do its job. Its primary purpose is to do what? Break this low and create a new low. If it doesn't, the buyers will somewhere in between here take over, and that's what we'll get in for a buy entry. That's all I do. That's all I simply do. Wait for another buy entry. I'm about to see when they're going to show me that the buyers want to take over. All right, let's see what's up. I would have been in this trade right now. It's all good. Look like it's going to present us another opportunity. Look like it's going to present me another opportunity. Turns out being engulfing candlestick, I'm surely going to take it. Let me see what's going to happen. I'm in. Okay, I simply took a buy entry. I'm putting my stop loss below this low right here. Put my stop loss at 68, 735.04. All right. So now I'm about to put my illustration up where they executed me at 68,895. 68,895. Somewhere right here. Somewhere right here they executed 68,895.90. So somewhere right around here. So 68, 895, 90. Okay, stop loss is at 68, 735. Uh 0, 4. Right. So we're gonna see what happens. That's all we can do. See what happens. Is this low, this impulsive move going to get swallowed up? Hopefully it doesn't. Is if a low comes off of here, breaks this structure and create a new high, that'll be great. That'll be absolutely wonderful. Oh wow. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Hopefully the buyers push it back. Ooh, that's nice. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. So now what happened just happened is what? This impulsive move got taken out. This low broke this structure, led to a new low. Was it ultimately going to break this impulsive move low? That's why I put my stop loss right here, because the market can still come back and pull back to here. But as long as it doesn't break this impulsive move, we're good. But if it does, it's gonna take me out. It took it out. No, it didn't. The spread didn't take me out. It should have taken me out, but it didn't. I'm still actively in this trade. There it is. Now it took me out. Cool. So that's using proper risk management. That's going to happen. So now I'm not upset. What I need to do now is like, okay, cool. Okay, this low led to okay, high, low, lower high, break a structure, lower low. Remove this because that was a stop loss. But still, you don't chase the sell. You do not chase the sell. Maybe the buyers want to come in off of this level. This is a level of interest where the buyers can come in at. Okay. Let me see it on M1. All of this is an area of interest. So guess what? I'm chilling. I'm chilling until I get another what? Another buying opportunity. So let's see. I would have TP one somewhere up here. So either it doesn't matter what trade, either or the stop loss would have got hit. Okay. I'll put my stop loss at 68,501.91. 68,501.91. You know what? Now I'll put my stop loss below here. Let's see. 68,446.62. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for today. Let me see. Where did I say I was gonna put my stop loss at? Oh wow. Let me see what's up. I forgot where I said I was put my stop loss at. But I know the buyers can come in, so it's gonna come out for this level. They take that low out. Didn't take it out yet. Let me see what's up. Cause I'm gonna put my stop loss intentionally right here. This trade not gonna make sense, but I'm put my stop loss intentionally like right here. Cause all right, let's see. 68,364.52. Oops. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the TP right here at 68,389.41. All right, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and log off. I'm about to go ahead and log off. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Why is my take profit? I'm about to go ahead and log off. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. All right. Y'all take care. And I'll see y'all on the next session. All right. Peace.